If you are receiving this transmission, there is a way ahead. What you know might not be the full truth. You can see it every day, every hour, every second. Endless, bottomless void swallows everything and turns it all into a coin. Time, coined. Touch, coined. Dreams, fears, even doubt, coined. Life. Do you know what life is? Do you know that what they have told you is a lie? All-encompassing, limitless lies, endlessly aired to millions of people, and to you specifically. Yet there is hope, not the one they tell you about, but real, bright and everlasting, hope that is as real as you are. Right now, everything you know is probably a lie. You feel it every day. Your questions are not answered. And when they are, the answers spark more questions. You are trapped in an endless loop of secrecy, mischief, and manipulation. You are tired, fragile, and stressed. You do not feel secure about tomorrow. And it is getting worse. Every day you see the world going downhill. Thankfully, it does not have to be that way. The world you know does not represent existence as it is. All you see and feel is just one of the possibilities. There are other ways. Some are worse, but many are better, much better. Most of them lead to a single most prominent and superlative way. The way of Metarel. For Metarel has all the answers. Answers that do not spark new questions, but that drive you further. It is not like anything you've known. It is not here to control you, not to demand anything from you. It comes with guidance, with answers that don't confuse you further, but that lead you forward. This is Metarel, and we are its envoys. And if you are receiving this transmission, you're on your way ahead.